Hi guys, this is Forden, and in this quick video I'm just gonna show you how you can use Integromat to send custom webhooks to LetConvert. Usually you would have used Zapier to do that, but I found that Integromat just have a lot more of operation possible on a free account, so I gave it a try and I managed to do it. So let's go and see how you can do that. So first of all, you have to create your free account on the Integromat. Let's assume it's done and that you've got already a LetConvert account. Then on your dashboard from Integromat, you have to go on the upper side right and click on create a new scenario. Here first of all you have to choose where the datas are coming from. So for me it's from CallAPI. For you it can be Stripe or whatever. You can choose what you want, but for my use I'm gonna use CallAPI. So okay, I click continue, and here I'm gonna click. It's a first point. It's the start point for our integration. So I use my CallAPI, and what I wanna do is triggers when I watch customers. So okay, I've already added my connection, and this one is a test one. So anything you're gonna see in this is just fake information. So I don't have to blur anything. So okay. Choose when I want to start to pick up my data. So usually it's gonna be from right now, but you can choose manually. So I'm gonna load and use the last one, Elijah. Okay, and I'm going to add another model because this is what we're looking for. Okay, so right now this point is where we are going to send the webhooks to LetConvert, but be careful, don't use webhooks because this webhook is just a receiving webhook, not a sending webhook. So don't use this and type HTTP. So with HTTP we are going to be able to make a request. It's the first one. What we are going to do is make a request to our webhook from LetConvert. So I just click here. It asks me an URL, so the URL you're gonna find it on your campaign. Again, it's a fake campaign, so there's no problem here. I'm gonna copy the URL, webhook URL link, and going back here to paste it. Okay, and the method we are going to use is the post. So I click post, and the next step is to choose the body type. So here, for something very easy to do, you can choose the second one, application form URL code. Okay, and now you just have to copy what is asked in the LetConvert webhook. So first of all, it's mandatory. You have to put the email. So in the key you put the name of what's waited, and in value you're gonna use what comes from your service you use. So for me it's the email, so I just have to click email for the key and the value from here. So I add a second item, and this one, it's a name. Okay, and in the value I'm gonna use first name. Okay, so you can continue and use the country or the country code, something like that, but for our test we're just gonna use this one. So I'm going to click OK here, and it should be done. So let's see. First of all, we can see that I have no data available in my campaign, so there's nothing here. And I go back to Integromat, and I just have to click run once. Okay, you can see he's got one data, and here he's got one data too. If we take a look, you have to look here and you can see your fields, but first of all you get to look at the output and see there's a statue code 200 and most of all success here. It's very important because at the beginning, if I wasn't following everything correctly, I was having success 0, email waited or not received, something like that. But you have to have success 1, and then it means the data went to LetConvert. So if I refresh here, it should be there. I just hope. Yes, Elijah with the fake email I used, and it come from a webhook. So if I go to my website, I hope it's already there. I'm gonna refresh the page, and let's see. New purchase, Elijah recently started a free trial. Okay, it's here. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.